Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you gorgeous styles. So in these styles you're going to be seeing different colorful styles for my divas. Yes, you all know I always come up with that beautiful styles for you. So today I have compiled a whole lot of colorful styles. So like this lady you're seeing right now, she's trying to do the edges. So this is the red color hair, and her color, she had the black hair, so the black is kind of like showing in between the red dye, so it seems like and also the extension, they kind of like make it like two shades of extension. One is darker, you can have this extension that is multicolor kind of. So this is another one. This is more like the pink hair extensions. So most times you need to dye your hair to the color, but not all the time you really need to dye your hair to the color. Like this particular one you see here, she used a wine and she still retained her black hair. Yeah, it all depends on you. And this is another one, another beautiful style, ponytail. She still have her black hair color and she used like the champagne gold kind of color. Yeah, this is another beautiful style where they have like a halfway, and this should be blue, turquoise blue, and this is another one like a mix of white, pink. Yeah, so this video I have a whole lot of mix up of colors that you will definitely like. Remember, this video is for educational purposes, to give you styles ideas for you to rock that special occasion. That is what my channel is all about. Yeah, I made a video before of combination of different gorgeous colors, and I got a whole lot of review on that, and I said, okay, let me come up with another one, because it can be very tasking when you want to braid your hair and you have two different colors. You don't really know how to combine them. Yes, I've been in that situation before and it's not really easy. So this video is going to help you to choose the perfect ways to combine the both colors. You can either mix them together. This particular one is more like the jumbo braids and distress locks. Yeah, you'll still see another one later on in this video. So it's not only like two strand twist or braids that you're gonna see here. So it's more like I mixed it up, but it's just everything about colors. Yeah, like as I was saying before, I've been in that road where I was confused on which color to use, and yeah, it can be very stressful. And I was able to like meet a good stylist. I was able to like mix the color. If you check my previous video, you see a video where I mixed two colors together. It was really beautiful. Okay guys, at this point I'll let you watch this video till the end. Please don't forget that this video is for educational purposes, to give you styles ideas for you to rock the special occasion. Don't forget to watch my other videos, my playlist. I have a whole bunch of it. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Let me know if you love this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you.